Hello, in this video I will tell about my best family vacation. We're in August last year at the Napoli state from Puerto Triunfo, Antioquia. It is a very beautiful theme park with many species of animals and very nice pools. I went with my husband Leandro Torres and my children Valerie and Sophia. In today's we made displays that have animals such as hippopotamus, giraffe, rhinos, and swimming pool with games waterfall slides. In display we made very nice people who made our trade something very special. The food was very delicious and better. We stayed at the Casablanca Hotel, a beautiful two-floor place with beautiful rooms and air-conditioned Wi-Fi zones and large green areas. This was an unforgettable vacation. Thank you.